Hello and welcome to Zimstek Media. The former Tourism and Hospitality Industry Minister Walter Mzimbi has been granted $1,000 bail by the High Court in Harare more than 10 months after his arrest over a $2 million fraud case tied to the 2010 FIFA World Cup. Mzimbi is accused of unlawfully donating TV sets meant for World Cup fan parks without Treasury or Cabinet approval. The equipment was allegedly public property bought for nationwide viewing centers during the tournament hosted by South Africa. As part of his bail conditions, Mzimbi must surrender his passport, reside at his Harare home, and remain within 30 kilometers of the court. He was arrested in June 2025 upon a return from South Africa, where he had been living. Despite being granted bail, he remains in custody due to what sources described as a paperwork issue and is expected to be released Tuesday. Mzimbi served as tourism minister from 2009 to 2017 and later as foreign affairs minister. He has maintained his innocence throughout the trial. The case has been ongoing since his arrest, with a judgment now pending. For more stories, please do like and subscribe.